Today we're going to clean up the headlights for my Honda Element, and to do that we're going to be using this 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit. I found this for about 40 bucks on Amazon, so I'll leave the links to this and everything else that you'll need to clean up your headlights down below in the description. So in addition to the 3M kit, you'll also need some of these cool tools here. So you'll need a spray bottle, a drill, a cloth, some painter's tape, and also the paper towels. So yeah, let's get into it and see how this is going to turn out. So what we're going to do first is we're going to put some painter's tape around the headlight so we don't damage the paint at all. I'm going to give you guys a really nice close-up because you can see how oxidized these headlights are. So after we got the painter's tape, we want to clean the lens, so we're just going to use some water and soap to do that. Got a bunch of bugs on here from our trip to Montana. So the first step is we're going to use the P500 grit, and we're going to attach that to the drill here. So it's a Velcro on the back, so you just snap it onto there. And what we're going to do here is we're just going to go in a steady back and forth action, trying not to hold in one place too long, and then also not trying to apply too much pressure. Like medium pressure is kind of what we're looking for. So before you move on to the next step, this is kind of what you want, is you want the lens to be kind of frosty. That's the word that they're using? So no, there's no clear space. So that's when you know you're ready to move on to the next grit. So now we've attached the 800 grit, and we're going to repeat the same process. We just attached the 3000 grit, and we're just going to dampen that real quick with our water, and then we're also going to do that to the lens. And if at any point this gets dry, just continue to spray it. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so let's repeat the same process on this side. With the soap, just gonna soap and water this guy down. All these bugs that we had from our trip to Montana, which you can find a link to right here. I'll leave it, but after you watch this video, of course. Here we go with the 800 grit. Okay, now we're on to the 800 grit. Same process. Smoothly back and forth. Not too much pressure. The more you sand here, the more clear your headlight's going to be later. Okay, so now we're going to apply the clear coat. It says not to unfold this wipe here and to wear gloves. By the way, it's kind of hot out here. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up. For all the hard work we put in for you. But these are looking so much nicer than what they were. So let's let this dry for about 5 minutes, then we'll come back. Let's go ahead and put on that second layer, but yeah, these things are looking so much better. All right, guys, I'm super stoked at how these things turned out. I'm gonna leave links down below in the description so you guys can find these products and clean your headlights. And that's a great way to help support this channel. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more and check out this video here for more Honda Element adventures. See you next time. Peace.